everyone, it's Jennifer, and I wanted to show you a new book I got in the mail. I got this from Amazon. I had pre-ordered it. This book is called Crochet Monsters, and it is from Megan Lab, the creator of Crafty Intentions. She also did the book Crochet Impkins, and I want to show you. This book is super thick, but I absolutely love it. It says, with more than 35 body patterns, you can mix and match options for thousands upon thousands of possibilities. And she's not kidding. Sorry my light is shining on the book cover. But I thought I'd show you a little bit in this book. It is absolutely fantastic. I love all the creatures you can create. This book is wonderful. So when you go in the book, it's going to tell you, you choose your body option, and you're going to want to know if you want an open mouth or a blob style body. I'm sorry, my kittens are in here with me, being annoying as usual. Whether you want a cylinder body, egg-shaped body, a sphere body, a square body, an eye monster body. This would be your eye monster body. Then you can pick your eye options, mouth options for no mouth bodies. Those are the ones that aren't like open mouths kind of things. There's like open mouths, round. Would you stop climbing on Mom's shoulder? Lima bean, rectangular, with or without teeth, tongue. There's all kinds of options there. Then there's different feet options. Limb options are a lot. Then there's like back scale options if you want to put scales. Tail options, ear options, antenna options. There's horn options further down. Yeah, there you go. Horn options. This book is huge. It's got so many things. Hair or hairstyle options. Teeth options. Belly options up here at the top, claw options, tongue options, extras, or face options. And I wanted to tell you, this book is spectacular. And there are so many different things that you can do. She tells you about different materials in the introduction. She gives you a place for planning a monster. I would actually photocopy it and make multiple planning sheets for monsters. Gives you tips and tricks and stuff. Obviously, and the different stitches used in the different monsters. And that's a couple pages. But here are some different options for different monsters. There are so many different ways to make these monsters, if you look. They are so adorable. It's unbelievable. These are like whole body eyeballs down here. Down here at the bottom. They are super cool. Look at the tongue on this thing. It's crazy. For obvious reasons, I can't show you the whole book, but I can show you a few photographs in here. This book is absolutely phenomenal. I absolutely am in love with this book. It is big. It's a thick book, but I think, considering the number of options you have in the book, it's well worth it. I'm just going to show you a few photographs as I go through it. I love the antennae on him. And the yarn choices people chose to do the samples in this book are absolutely wonderful. But I'm super stoked. I was on vacation when the book came, and to come home to this book was just such a joy. Such a joy. I have so many plans. I want to make all of them, and I want to make all the things, you know. I would highly recommend this book. I think it's going for $27, $28 on Amazon. I do highly recommend it. Her patterns are very, very well written. That's super adorable. I love these horns and the tongue. If you're interested in amigurumi and you want something that's fun to choose from, I love that with the eye. And here's Mr. Legs with the eyeball and stuff. You want something that's, you know, kind of fun to follow and to help you make choices on what to do. This book is spectacular. I highly recommend all of her books. This is her third book. They are really wonderful. The color choices are absolutely amazing. And I would follow her on Facebook. She shows different samples on Facebook. I'm trying to get all the words in, and it's, you know, I get on camera and all of a sudden my mind goes blank. But I definitely highly recommend these books. I love the look of the teeth there. You will see some of these from me in the future. Hopefully sooner rather than later. I have a few projects going on. I absolutely love them. But I wanted to show you the book and give you an idea. I'm barely showing you anything out of this book. It's absolutely huge and has so much to offer in here with it. It's just got so much to offer. You know, if you're in the market for a book with Amigurumi in it, definitely give this a go. Definitely check out the Impkins book and check out her Crafty Intentions book. That's where I had made the Kraken from. Very, very easy to follow. The directions are so well written, so easy to understand, and so easy to follow. See, the monsters don't have to be mean. They can be cute. And they can be super sweet. These would be great to make for children. You know, a little cuddle monster with them. That's so cool. You know, something to snuggle with, you know, a snuggle buddy for when they're sleeping and stuff. So they don't have to be mean. They can be super cool looking. I love the eyes. She even tells you where she purchased her amigurumi eyes from. So, you know, helpful hints about the yarn and what to choose, what to do about creating the horns and getting them to stand like that. The book is very, very helpful. I definitely recommend this book. So if you're into making amigurumi and you're interested, I would definitely check this out. So it is called Crochet Monsters, and the author is Megan Lapp. So give it a go and check out her other books. They are absolutely wonderful books, and I highly recommend them. They are my favorite books. They're absolutely my favorite. So give them a go. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.